Hi everyone, welcome to Isis React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today I will be doing a song reaction. This is another long pending request. I'm going to be reacting to the song Kamini. It is from a movie called Anugrahithan Antony and it has been sung by Hari Shankar. Yes, a Hari Shankar song, and this song was also highly requested. The reaction for this one. So yes, I don't want to delay it any further because I want to be once again mesmerized by Hari Shankar's vocals. So yes, let's react to Kamini. All right. Yeah. Yes.
മാഷേ ആ പട്ടിയെ ഒന്ന് സൂക്ഷിച്ചോ. തരം കിട്ടിയ ചിലപ്പോ അതിനെ പൊടിപ്പിച്ചൊന്നിരിക്കും.
Understood, പട്ടി.
പെണ്ണേ കണ്ണിൻ തുമ്പത്തെന്തേ എന്തോ തേടിപ്പോകുന്നെന്തേ ഉള്ളം താനെ പാടുന്നെന്തേ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ മൂളുന്നെന്തേ മൃദുലമാധരവും മധുകണം കരുതിയോ ചിറകിലായുയരുവൻ പ്രണയമാം സലഭവും മണിമുകിലു വരയണമാരിതിൽ നിറം പകരും നിലവുകളിൽ മഴവിരലു തഴുകിയ വീണയിൽ ഉണരുമീണം നീ മുല്ലേ മുല്ലേ
Seen that in this girl somewhere.
മറഞ്ഞു നിന്നെ നിഴലിനതിരിലായി മൊഴിയാലെ നിന്നെ അറിയവേ പറഞ്ഞതെല്ലാം നിലവിൻ ലിപികളാൽ ഉയിരിന്റെ താളിൽ എഴുതി ഞാൻ മിന്നാമിന്നി കണ്ണാളെ മിന്നും മിന്നൽ പെണ്ണാളെ
Nice. Oh, I don't want this song to end. Can I just go back and listen to this beat drop? It's so beautiful. When the beat drops, it's so beautiful. What a nice recommendation. Thank you. Very nice song. Very cute. Wow. What a great recommendation. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Directed by Prince Joy. Okay. Who's the music? Arun Muralidharan. Okay. I am not aware of like him, his works. Alright, let me stop this. I loved it. Thank you for this recommendation. I know I was holding it out for a very long time, but you guys know if it is Hari Shankar, I'm definitely going to, eventually watch it and react to it. I love this song. What a beautiful, I really always a fan of the kind of alaps he takes. His vocal range is just so beautiful. He can just sing any kind of song. He can just sing any kind of song, and of course the romantic numbers really suit his voice. Because I feel K.S. Harishankar's vocals have so much depth to it, and you just feel a certain way when you listen to him. Right? That's what I feel. That's what I've for whatever K.S. Harishankar songs that I listen to. Pukkal Pukkum cover still remains my favorite. It remains my absolute favorite. The way he sung that song, it's my all-time favorite. So many times I just keep going back to that video again and again and again. But this song is also so beautiful. I really liked the Mr. Arun Muralidharan's music, the way he has, paced the rhythm of the song, the beats, beautiful. And of course, the added enjoyment is that when you are watching the video and such beautiful visuals, their beautiful chemistry is so evident on the screen. And I think I've seen this heroine somewhere. Let me see in the credits. Gauri Krishnan, that's her name, Gauri Krishnan. I don't know, I feel I've seen her in a movie, but I cannot recall the face because her face looks familiar to me. So yes, that was my reaction to Kamini, a very long pending request, and I was only holding it out because I wanted to listen to other musicians as well. Because initially when I started reacting to Hari Shankar songs, I used to just lines and react to his songs. So I want to listen to other musicians as well. But his vocals are just home to me. Like how I listen to Arijit Singh songs. I feel so calmed down whenever I listen to Arijit singing such kind of melodies. And now it is the same with K.S. Harishankar. Absolutely, I love his vocals. So yes, once again, thank you for this recommendation. I hope you guys have enjoyed this reaction and have come till the end of the video. And I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye-bye.